Hey guys, today we got a 2015 Arctic 500 TRV. Let's check it out. So this thing's a pretty nice machine. It's a TRV, so it's a 2-watt. Seat covers not the best back there, but it works. Keeps it dry. So these seats are removable, and then you can put different accessories on. You just pull these pins. We'll take this thing for a test drive here in a second. It's got pretty good ground clearance. I think 12 inches is what the book says. All right, let's hop on this thing, give her a whirl. So it's a 500 EFI, so fuel injection. Let the pump run. Hit the starter button, starts right up. This has 5,690 miles on it. Got our gear selector. We're in high range right now. We'll run two-wheel drive right for the second. We'll go here, see what we can do. We'll do a little top speed run in the end, see what this 500 is capable of. Not sure, we still got some snow, so I'm not sure what we can do as far as the trails. We'll see. But it feels like a big machine. You sit up pretty high on this thing. Now this is a 500, so Arctic used to make well, let me get this right. Arctic used to buy their engines from, we're gonna have to run four-wheel drive, so we're just sliding this switch over, make sure you're almost to a complete stop, and then you're good. Arctic used to get their 500 engines from Suzuki. Those were tough engines. They were liquid cooled, they were good motors, but in the recent years, I don't know when they switched, but this is a 15. This runs a Kimco engine. It's I don't remember what cc it actually is. It's obviously somewhere around the 4. Man, we get some water running through here. So we're gonna throw it in low range. We go up one notch. It's around 500 cc anyways, 4 or something. Oh, we might not make it up. We'll put her in differential lock. So for that, you push up and over to the left. And you get her in. Pretty good hole here. Let's see. Oh, so close. Got it. We got it. All right, keep her going here. I'm gonna have to crack this. Fogging up. I'm gonna throw it back in high range because I don't think low is needed right this second. The snow's pretty soft. It's like 40 degrees today. It's April 6, 2023. I'm out here at Island Pond, Vermont. Man, we're going. Yeah, we're getting sucked off the trail. But pretty nice machine. It's got the nice 2-up for the rear passenger. We got our light switch. It's located on the key switch here. You turn it one notch all the way to the right, and then you got a high-low beam. The cat lights, they're big lights. They work fairly good. I've seen much brighter. You could probably put better bulbs in them, but yeah, we're gonna get stuck if we try to get off this trail. So we'll probably head back and do our top speed run because I'm having a hard time here. So the speedometer, or your LCD display here, is pretty nice. You got your miles per hour. You can also run attack for your RPMs. I just wish, I don't know why they didn't do that. I wish you could run both at the same time. You cannot do that on these machines. You either have one or the other. And then down here you got trip meter. You got 2 trips, an hour meter. So this has got 466 hours, and a clock. I haven't reset that since I put a battery in it. And this has got almost 5,700 miles in it. So the miles are getting up there, but still seems like this machine's held together pretty good. So one thing about these cats, they got nice solid steel racks on them. It's always handy for carrying a lot of stuff. A lot of them are going to plastic now, which plastic can be strong, and they flex quite a bit if you hit something. However, with the plastic, they slide, you know, and you don't have all these nice tie-down hook, you know, where you're gonna run a ratchet strap or a bungee cord. They don't work as good as the steel racks do. A lot of manufacturers are. This is why we're not going off trail. A lot of manufacturers are, you know, making a lot of different accessories. Even Cat, you know, they have the speed rack, I think it's called. These little square things that you can. Low range. There we go. She just wants to be given some throttle. All right. We'll put it in low range. We'll kind of see how fast it goes here. Run the GPS. That's about it. I wouldn't want to go any more than that. It said 27 miles per hour on the speedo. We'll throw her back at high range because we're going to be hitting the road and doing our top speed run. We don't need it in differential lock right now. Oh, mud season is upon us. And right, throw her in 2-wheel drive. I'll get on to her coming up this hill here, and we'll see how she goes. Then we'll do the top speed at the end. This thing's got decent power. Snappy. This is full throttle here. This is uphill. Not bad. She's gaining. Doing about 50 miles an hour on the speedo. Don't know what the GPS says. .52 is what I see here. And we'll turn around and go the other way. See what we can get. Let off of her. Alright. Alright, we'll stop right here. We'll see what she's got. Full throttle. It really, for a 500, it goes good. This is a single overhead cam engine, so nothing too sophisticated here. The road's fairly soft. We're showing 54, and this cat's handling fairly good. Little bit of a shimmy, but not bad. 55 miles per hour on the speedo. We'll see what she says on the GPS. You guys will see it right off the bat. But braking is pretty good. We got one handle brake here that runs all 4, and then you get your foot brake that runs the rear. So final thoughts on the cat. You know, this thing goes pretty good. It doesn't skip a beat. Actually, I haven't tried the 2-up part of it. Let's see. Nice and comfortable. Got plenty of room here for passenger. You sit up high, you know, so that's nice. It's got a nice little box back here for coolers or whatever you need, so that's pretty handy. I really like the 2-inch receiver hitch. That's should come standard with all these machines, but it doesn't on most. Let's see. Oh, one thing I wanted to mention. So with these Kimco engines, I think a lot of them are like this too. And actually the Arctic Cat 1000 Wildcats like that. If you put this in park, you never want to rev your engine up, because when this puts it in park, it basically locks forward and reverse gear, and your rear clutch over here, your rear clutch is locked into place. So if you rev this, your primary clutch is gonna go in, and it's gonna basically wear your belt down. You know, most CVT transmissions, when you put it in park, it's no different than neutral, and this will spin, so it's no big deal. These, you do not want to do that. So, and that is in the manual on this thing. Bad design. I don't care for that at all, and I don't care for this shift pattern. It's just straight up and down. I liked it better when Arctic Cat had like the notches. I'll show you what I mean on the other. My diesel has, but that one doesn't have a park in the transmission, but I'll show you what I mean. So this is my Arctic Cat diesel. This is what I was talking about. Kind of